10 reasons why learning English is the best decision you ever made. 1. You will discover that English is easy to learn. Most people think that learning a language is very difficult. In many cases, it is easier for certain people to learn English, because English is related to their native language. For example, for people from Europe who are learning English, they find that English is closely related to their languages. 2. You can find more job opportunities. Many large companies around the world require that their employees speak English. In some cases, these companies are requiring their workers to only use English. 3. You can become better educated. Not only does knowing a foreign language expand your brain power, but you can use your knowledge of English to learn more and more things about the world. 4. You can easily travel anywhere in the world. I am a native English speaker, and I have traveled to many places in the world. Communication has almost never been a problem for me, because people all around the world speak English. I have been able to speak English in every country I have visited. While learning a few words in the local language is always a good idea, it is polite and shows respect. English will help you with the details of travel. 5. You will know the global language. It is a historical fact that the economic power wielded by Great Britain and America over the last few centuries has resulted in English being so widespread. English spread through war, trade, slavery, and religious missionaries. History is complicated and it is not always pleasant, but we can recognize that English is being spoken everywhere in the world. 6. You will learn about culture. Language and culture cannot be separated. Language is culture, and culture is language. Simply said, knowing English will give you a better understanding of people who live in English-speaking countries. Knowing the English language gives you more insight into how people think, live, and work. 7. You can improve your understanding of science. English is the language of science. If you want to learn, publish, or speak with authority in the sciences, you must learn English. Pharmacists, engineers, and doctors around the world must always learn English along with their other subjects in university. In most cases, their other class subjects are taught in English or come with an English textbook. 8. You can date more people. Maybe getting a great, romantic date is all the motivation you need. Well, you will be happy to know that English will increase the number of people you could possibly date. Meeting people who speak English on a dating site, through Facebook or another social media site. English speakers are generally very understanding when talking to people who are learning English, and they have plenty of patience. Do not worry if your English skills are not perfect yet. You are already very interesting. 9. You can improve your confidence. I doubt there's any person alive who does not wish they could speak another language. It is a skill that everyone would love to add to their resume. 10. You will exercise your brain. If nothing else, learning English will make you smarter and keep your brain strong. Scientists have been demonstrating that bilinguals are able to understand concepts quicker and get better scores on tests. Who would not want that? So, be smarter, more confident and helpful, get a job and date more. That sounds good, right? English is one key that unlocks a world of possibility. If you would like to get more video from us, simply subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications. The next video is yours. Thanks for watching.